This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by validating prerequisites so nothing blocks purchases. Sign into the correct App Store account and confirm your payment method is valid. This prevents declines. Once done, update the app and device OS so the purchase flow matches the latest APIs. Make sure in-app purchases are allowed in device settings and that parental controls are off for this account. Otherwise, the store will silently block the transaction. These quick checks remove common, invisible blockers before you attempt a purchase. You now run the app's purchase flow step by step. Tap the specific in-app item or subscription SKU. This ensures you request the right product identifier from the store. Read the price, trial length, and billing interval so you understand future charges. Then confirm to hand off to the App Store checkout. When the store prompts for authentication, use biometrics, password, or two-factor verification immediately. If the purchase fails, note the exact error message. It tells you whether the issue is payment, network, or account related. You finish by confirming the purchase and resolving entitlement issues. Check the app's account page and the store purchase history for the receipt ID. Then use the app's Restore Purchases button so the server registers entitlement. If the item doesn't appear, force close and reopen the app, sign out and back in, or reinstall to reset local caches. As a final tip, if things go wrong, capture the receipt ID and error code and contact store support. With that data, they can trace the transaction faster and resolve billing or account conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.